So Lewis, it is so wonderful to have you here with us for the launch of the brand new AMG. Thank you for joining us.
Pleasure.
What do you make of this car on first impression?
It's beautiful. It's the first time I've seen it. I'm always fascinated to see where they take these new designs. I was just saying that they work from a clay model, and so they'll be making all these lines and details you see with a clay, just with like a scraper.
You are a GT owner yourself.
Yeah.
So you're the perfect person to ask, what is the essence of an AMG GT and what makes this so AMG?
Ultimately, it's the performance. I think AMG's always been very, very high-tech. The engines are pretty spectacular performance-wise. Great bottom end, good drivability, and the cars always have great balance.
What's it been like to see the evolution of this car, not only from a visual perspective, but even from a performance perspective behind the wheel?
Well, what's crazy, so I was fortunate enough to see the first version of this car as a model. Gordon took me and he's like, I'm gonna show you all the next 5 cars that we're gonna bring out in the next 2 years. And then the car came out and I loved it. And now seeing that car evolve and having the car and utilizing it in your day-to-day life, then you kind of like, yeah, he was right.
So you trust the visionary at his work.
Definitely.
He knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
Have you already been able to drive this car?
This one I haven't taken out yet. I'm about to go and take it from here.
Perfect. Well, that is a great note for me to say, I think it's time for you to grab the keys and get behind the wheel, because I think everybody, including myself and everyone watching at home, would love to see you drive this car.
No problem.
So why don't you jump in,
Good rally.
start it up,
Yep.
and enjoy the
See you
ride.
later. Hey, can I go and do some donuts? Sorry, it's dusty now.